Hello, today let me introduce you the combination tool. That's really awesome. Oh, these are two tools in one. Oh, it lets us quickly switch between the brush and the white nozzle, depending on our task. That's perfect for my Dyson V15 Detect. And this is one of the best tools I'm going to use with that Dyson V15 Detect because it is so multifunction. I can use it to clean on furnitures with the brush. I can also use it to clean on sofas, for example, sofas or in the car, on the car carpets. No problem. It is a two-in-one device, and I can use it anywhere. And it's so easy to use because it's so tiny and small. It's a small adapter. It's easy to adjust, and of course, it's easy to lock the brush into it. That's a really awesome thing. I think it's one of the best tools Dyson ever attached to a vacuum cleaner. It's a combination tool, two tools in one, white nozzle and a brush for quick switching between cleaning and dusting tasks around our home or car. And that's right, it matches so nice. You can extend it by using the wand or directly use it with a vacuum cleaner with a click-in battery. It's awesome. And it is for the edges. It is for pits out there, maybe in your furnitures, maybe in your sofas, maybe at your car. You can clean where you like and what you like with this combination tool here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.